Hello there, it's me again, Udi, founder of Energy Star Remodeling. The most significant way to make your home energy efficient is by installing solar panels on your roof to power your home. With this one change, you can increase the value of your home, lower your monthly expenses, and contribute to the green future of our world. But make no mistake, solar is not a one-size-fits-all product. Just like any other major appliance or feature, there are many different variations to choose from to find the perfect fit for your home. We're here to help you navigate the different brands and models of panels, to help you understand what inverter is best for you, and to discuss the safest installation equipment and strongest solar mounts. We will calculate your accurate energy usage history for you. That will allow us to estimate your monthly savings. With Energy Star Remodeling, you'll always own 100% of your solar system. No leasing, no splitting equity. We want to make sure you benefit the most from this product and from the rebates and tax credits you're due from ownership. We won't let you get ripped off, and we'll help you understand all the warranties and hidden features. A day wasted without solar is another dollar unnecessarily paid to the electric company. For your free, no obligation consultation, fill out the quick form on this page, and we can get started today turning your home into a solar home. When considering solar, you might also need to upgrade your roof and HVAC systems. To learn more about those products, click below.